Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be bringing out a quick Bitcoin and Ethereum update here, and we will be going over the predictions that till now have been coming out perfectly, and we will be as well discussing the next moves that we're going to create here. So without further ado, I will be going right away into the video, and if this sounds interesting guys, make sure to smash up these likes guys. Let's go for 200 likes once again here. Earlier today we already reached it, and let's maybe go for 250 on this video. Will be absolutely amazing if we can do so. And as well, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so right now, and let's go right away into today's video. So first of all, earlier today we have been talking about this very important level of resistance for the Bitcoin chart, as you can see over here. Since of course earlier today we have been seeing the breakthrough confirmation coming in here, and of course I was keeping you guys up to date here on my Twitter profile, and I've been of course giving you guys all these important updates here about the Bitcoin price action and of course about the Ethereum price action. And that is also one of these many reasons why you right away, before going exactly into all my of course Bitcoin analysis, to hit that follow button here on my Twitter page here at Rover CRC. Make sure to follow me over there, because there we will be bringing out all these time related updates if we can't be making a video, of course. So yeah, with that have been said guys, let me go further into of course the price action of Bitcoin and what we are currently seeing. So yeah, since we have been seeing of course the breakthrough of this resistance target, you can see the previous 4 hourly candle have been retesting our previous resistance target, what should have been of course your entry price for the significant symmetrical triangle that we're currently creating. And this symmetrical triangle of course has a very clear price target around the $44,000, what is of course an approximately 26% move for Bitcoin. And from the point that we're currently trading on, this will be still another 25% move towards the upside. So I'm currently already in my Bitcoin and Ethereum position, so I will be not opening a new one, but of course I would have done so if we were of course seeing this retest coming in here. I should have been opening your position over there. Right now of course we are already quite far away from our previous supportive target, so the risk to reward is not really smart to open your position over here, because there's way more risk attached to it if you're going to open it in the middle of course not on the specific previous supportive target. And I would rather only open your trades on support, and to right away go as well into the lower time frames guys, because yeah, I do feel extremely excited about Bitcoin and Ethereum on the lower time frames. But of course on Bitcoin it's still looking pretty good here, but on Ethereum, I know on the 1 hourly candles we're seeing some weaknesses coming in here, so I will be going into Ethereum in a second here. But as you can see here on the Bitcoin chart, we are increasing once again here, but the RSI has been starting to create this downtrend over here, and a downtrend on the RSI can be helping us to maybe create some bearish divergence here in the Bitcoin chart. As well, we have been seeing already 3 impulsive legs towards the upside. Maybe Bitcoin has some more room to grow towards from this leg up here, since of course on the 4 hourly the RSI has still plenty enough room to grow here. So on Bitcoin, yeah, not necessarily looking all too bad here, to be honest. But if I'm going to go into the Ethereum price action in a second, I will be showing you some things here that are not looking as bright as Bitcoin right now. So yeah, on the Bitcoin chart, the only weakness that I'm currently seeing here is, of course, this divergence on the MACD. On the MACD, we're seeing, of course, on the 1 hourly candle, some weaknesses in this uptrend. Of course, you have to remember this. I'm seeing a weakness in the uptrend on the 1 hourly trend. I am not bearish at all on Bitcoin right now, but I am seeing some weaknesses in this current trend towards the upside, because Bitcoin tends to move up, the corrects move up. It doesn't go up in a straight line here, and that is the reason why you do want to be catching every single move of Bitcoin. And that is as well the reason why I will be notifying you guys if I'm seeing a minor trend reversal potentially coming in towards the chart of Bitcoin. And the trend reversal, what I'm right now seeing here, is of course a higher high getting created here in the price chart, where the MACD is forming a lower high, and this is of course confirming that we're seeing of course the buying pressure cooling off, where the prices are still increasing, and this is of course giving me a bearish signal right now on the Bitcoin chart. So yeah, not extremely good looking this for Bitcoin. But still, even though on the 4 hourly candles, even though we can be still invalidating this, I mean, I will be still running my trades, since I have been accumulating this and my trades extremely low here. There's no risk for me to go out of my trade or so. I did already took some profits here, because it's just smart, and of course otherwise it's against my strategy, because I'm in a certain amount of profit. I always take profits, because I don't want to be missing out on the huge gains that I'm currently making here. So if you as well want to be trading, make sure to as well go to the link in the description and sign up with the Bybit link here. You can be as well getting a $2,000 deposit bonus if you're going to sign up through Bybit. So yeah, it will be amazing if you're going to do so. But then as well, let me discuss the Ethereum price action, where we are seeing, of course, some very beautiful price action, because Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin already for the whole day approximately. And you can see the first of all trend here on the 4 hourly candles is of course higher lows together with higher highs. this is looking like a beautiful trend towards the upside. And since as well breaking this critical level of resistance here on the Ethereum compared to US dollar chart, we have been of course confirming the breakout of the downtrend, and we can be potentially looking for of course this price target, what is of course extremely bullish around the let me say this, $2,800 if I say it correctly. Yeah, $2,880, what is still of course another approximate move of 20% towards the upside. So yeah, it is looking quite strong here, and I do want to be raising the awareness that we are seeing of course a beautiful pattern breaking out here. You can even approach it like an inverse head and shoulders from the left shoulder, head over here, and right shoulder over here. Exact same price target, so it doesn't matter what you're going to measure, but either way it has this bullish price target. But of course, I always want to be giving you guys the best entry price, and for now on I should highly suggest to not open a long position on the current position that we're trading on. And the reason why here, guys, of course I'm extremely bullish on the higher time frames, because first of all, if you're looking to the higher time frames, you can see EMA ribbon. We're trading above it. Perfect support found on the EMA ribbon if we're going to decrease in valuation. We're trading above it on the 12-hour. We're as well trading above it. We're trading against it still on the daily candles. I'm sorry. We're still trading against the EMA ribbon. You can see we're right now trading on the last part of the EMA ribbon in terms of the daily candle close. And the daily candle will be closing in another 7 hours. So yeah, let's see if we can right away break through this level, because a breakthrough on the daily candles of the EMA ribbon will be of course extremely bullish for Ethereum holders. But if we're looking to the 1 hourly candles, yeah, you can clearly see EMA ribbon providing the support. You can clearly see we're forming higher lows and higher highs, and this is looking like a beautiful uptrend here. But there is some very important things that you want to be not losing out right now here. So we have been already creating a big wick on the top side, but unfortunately I couldn't bring out this update earlier. But we were seeing of course that the Ethereum price action was forming of course lower high on the RSI, where it is forming right now, and higher high in the price chart, what is of course leading to a bearish divergence. I mean, yes, I am extremely bullish if I'm zooming out, but for a second we can be potentially go for a cool period. Maybe we're going to do something like this here. We're going to of course decrease a little bit in valuation. We're going to cool off for a second. We're going to bounce back maybe to the $2,250, and after that we're going to correct, and we're going to move further towards the upside. And the reason why I'm saying this level of course is because potentially of course we're going to find support on our previous resistance target, even though this can be a very beautiful setup. I mean, I do want to be raising the awareness that you don't want to be opening your trade exactly on this point that we're right now trading on, because the risk is too high in my opinion, and that is of course the reason why I'm saying so as well. I'm seeing some other weaknesses right now coming into the chart. We are forming right now on the exact moment of recording, of course, a new high here in this current trend, but still the MACD is forming a lower high, giving us a bearish signal. Even though, of course, the MACD in terms of selling pressure is still in an uptrend, looking beautiful. I mean, the bearish divergence that we're right now seeing on the RSI is for me the big red flag that we're currently getting. We know we can easily invalidate them and still move up here, but it will be very healthy to see a retracement to approximately $2,260, and that will be as well your accumulation zone for of course a new trade that you can be potentially opening here on the Ethereum price action. So guys, this was a very quick update here on the Ethereum and Bitcoin valuation. Let me know if you enjoy these quick updates here. I like to make them, so make sure to smash up the likes. Let me know in the comment section what you guys currently think of Ethereum and Bitcoin. Like I've been already saying several times here, I do think Bitcoin bottomed out already on the 30K, and we are going to go towards higher targets in the next coming months here. So guys, make sure to be prepared and of course accumulate on these drop-offs. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll check you guys in the next one. Goodbye.